What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for some trade recaps. So today I was shorting NVCR, so I was waiting for it out of the gate to show me some weakness. I know in the 215s here pre-market we had a big rejection, so I was waiting for that 215 level, and I was able to get in at 213, and I rode that down towards 200, covered towards 200, and then I shorted it again in the 210s. And as it kind of came down, I just kind of kept shorting it and taking little $5, $6 wins. You know, it's not huge because I'm not taking huge share size, but with the amount of shares I took, I was able to get a decent gain. So it was about a $40, $50 win from all of these shares. And with the fact that I'm only shorting like 1 cent per share, it only cost me like $1.50 to short this, so it was a nice $50 win off of like $1. It cost me about $1, $2 to short, so it wasn't bad. Obviously it would have been nice to hold through that 190, but what I was seeing was the resistance over here. You can see back here it kind of faded into the 189, 190, and then it immediately popped back up with really big support. So I was thinking that around the 190 level, and you started to get a lot of support here, even here, like you started to see a little bit of support. So I was covering near 195, and I wanted to see if it would break down. Unfortunately, I ended up getting into VTVT, and that kind of screwed me. Not that it was a big loss or anything, because like I saw it break down below the VWAP. It started to kind of look like it was going to break down lower, so I got in around 325. And I averaged it again close to the VWAP, with the VWAP being my stop, and as it broke over VWAP, I covered. And obviously you can see it went higher. So those are my trades from today. I'm pretty sure I didn't trade anything else, or at least nothing that was like worth talking about really. NVCR was the big trade. Yeah. NVCR, VTVT, those are my two trades for today. Like I said, winner, I'm up about $40. I lost about $10 on this trade here, but I was up 50 after these, and then I lost it on that. And obviously, like I said, it would have been nice to hold these all the way down to 180, but I saw this support level here, and I wanted to kind of cover. I was covering towards the 200 because that was going to be a big level of support, and then when that broke, I was shorting with 200 being my stop, and obviously I still had some shares up here from 204, 205, so I was holding that into this dip, and I covered most towards the when 195 broke. So the risk here is that, you know, as you can see here, this turned from 195 and went all the way back up to 210, right? So that would have been a decent loss if I would have held, and that would have happened to me back over here, which is why I was getting out. Obviously you can see now there's a ton of short coming in, so now it is looking like it wants to be a short still. So you might be able to get some more profits from this thing, shorting it. But it really started its move in the 130s, right? So right now it's only up about $50, 37%, which is, it's decent, but it also has a decent catalyst if you go look at it. So that's one of the reasons why I wasn't looking to hold this thing all day short, although in hindsight it probably would have been a better move. Anyway, those are my trades from today. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm going to do a video on NNDM right now after I put out this video, and that'll be coming out later today. That was requested by one of my subscribers, so thanks for the request, and hopefully you enjoy that stock recap and that stock pick of the week. But for now, I might be done trading for the day, up $40, but we'll see. It might come back in the afternoon if NVCR looks weak again. If it maybe pops back up to 200 and it's sitting around the VWAP looking weak, I might take another stab. But other than that, in VTVT, I'm kind of just done with it. It looks too strong, so it might be a good long off the VWAP, but I'm not gonna short it again. This was the only time it looked weak all day, right? You can see it's the only time it broke down, started to look weak, and it was a lot of selling pressure. So I thought maybe we'd get a chance to see this thing give up, but nope. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and like I said, check out my NNDM stock pick after this. Other than that, feel free to leave some comments below if you guys have any questions, or if you guys have any stocks or any things you want me to go over. Please feel free to leave them in the comment sections below. Please like, subscribe, and I'll be back at you with another video soon. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.